Dear St. Andrews School students, greeting of the day. This is Dhanbir Singh, your English teacher. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will discuss the third chapter from English Reader. Dear student, this is the continuation of second part. In earlier part, we discussed the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs first, and this is the next series of that same chapter, the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs second. Okay, in this chapter, dear students, we shall discuss Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Snow White's stepmother decided to kill herself. Okay. So in earlier chapter, we discussed that he sent the hunter man to kill the Snow White, and now let's see what are the tricks and methods he applied to kill the Snow White. Okay, so this is very interesting chapter, dear students, so listen very carefully. Okay, one day when the queen was standing in the front of mirror, she once again asked the mirror, okay, mirror, mirror on the ball, who is the fairest to all? As usual, the mirror replied, Snow White is the fairest of all. Now, after listening this, the queen became mad with anger, and she ordered the man to hang the huntsman. Why? Because huntsman failed to kill the Snow White. So the queen, she decided to kill the Snow White herself. Okay, so she disguised means she changed her look, appearance, and she become a old woman. She took basket of fine ribbons, combs, belts, hairpins, flowers, perfumes, etc. She reached the cottage where Seven Dwarfs used to live. Snow White opened the door and came out of the cottage. The queen showed her ribbon, belts, and hairpins to the innocent Snow White. Dear student, this is the continuation of the chapter. Now, after listening from the mirror that the Queen White is the fairest to all, the queen, who was the stepmother of Snow White, dear students, she decided herself to kill the Snow White. So she made the plan. The first plan was she changed her look into an old woman, and she reached the cottage where Snow White used to live. Snow White bought a pretty belt. As soon as she tied the belt round her waist, she snoozed, means fainted, and Queen laughed and went away. Okay, when this is the first case, when the dwarfs who was a small magician, they came in the evening, they found Snow White lying on the ground. They saw the belt, untied it, and came back to her senses. Means she fainted. When they opened the belt, she came back into her senses. Now, the dwarfs, before leaving the cottage, they warned the Snow White that never opened the door to any strangers again. Okay. Now, after hearing this, after some times, the stepmother, who is the queen, again repeated the question to the mirror. Mirror, mirror on the ball, who is the fairest to all? Again the mirror replied, what she replied? In the same words, Snow White is the fairest to all. Now the queen became angry beyond his control. So she made up her mind to kill the Snow White. Now she decided to kill the Snow. Now again, in first case, she dressed up in the form of old woman, and in second case, she dressed herself as a farmer's wife and took a basket full of red juice apple, but poisoned. Okay, this is the main fact. Poisoned red juicy apples. In the first case, dear student, if you differentiate between first case and second case, in first case, the queen became old woman and she brought fine ribbons, combs, belts, hairpins, flower, brooches, perfumes. And in the second case, she become She dressed herself in the form of a farmer's wife and took a basket full of red juicy apples. Don't get confused in these two cases. These two cases are different, dear students. You should remember this. As soon as the Snow White took one bite of she fell senseless on the ground. The queen was overjoyed. She went back to the place. When the dwarf came back, they were shocked to find Snow White was dead. Now, dear student, with heavy hearts and tears in his eyes, they pull her a beautiful glass coffin. Coffin, dear student, means a box for the dead person. Okay, as you know, in these days, coronavirus is going on. You must watch in newspapers and televisions. Lot of coffins were made for the dead person from the COVID-19, dear students. Okay, so it is basically in simple words we can say that a box in which the dead persons are kept. Okay, for buried in. So it was a they not decided to bury her coffin, but they put the coffin before the cottage. In front of cottage they put the that coffin, and in that they place the Snow White. One day a handsome prince riding on the horse entered the forest. He saw beautiful Snow White lying in the glass coffin. He at once fell in love with her. Okay, she was appraised by her beauty and fell in love with her. He alighted from his horse and touched the beautiful princess. Now, dear student, what happened when he touched the princess? Snow White, she opened her eyes immediately. The drafts were extremely happy. They thanked God and prayed for the long life of the Snow White. Now the princess decided to marry the Snow White, and he asked to marry, and they both the Snow White accepted the proposal, and Dwarf also agreed to proposal of the prince. The prince took the Snow White to his father's kingdom, and they were married and started living happily. This is the story. And you must be wondering what happened to the queen who was trying to kill the Snow White, her stepmother. When the queen came to the Snow White marriage, she became black with rage. She threw a stone at the mirror, and the mirror fell on the ground and was shattered into lots of pieces. The queen also fell ill and died within few days. So this is a story about the dwarf second. Snow White lived happily after with her peace. So dear students, the basic points in this chapter is, okay, how the stepmother decided to kill herself. The Snow White, in the first case, she put in herself old woman's dress, and in the second case, farmer's wife. In first, when she became old woman, she carried a basket in which ribbon, combs, belts, flowers, brooches was there. And the second case, when she became a farmer's wife, a basket, red juicy apples but poison. So these are the two cases. What happened? Then she fainted, and earlier a prince came. He touched her. She opened her eyes, and both of them married. And the queen become black and died in few days. The basic question in this chapter, the queen used to ask mirror again and again, who is the fairest to all. So in usual, the mirror used to reply that Snow White is the fairest to all. This is the main cause of these activities which are facing by the Snow White, and this story is very interesting, dear students. Read at home once again. Try to read this word meanings which are given in the behind your chapter. In the back of this chapter, read this word meaning to understand the meaning in better. Read once again this chapter. Now try to complete this exercise also. The exercise comprehension one. Choose the correct options. Very simple. The queen disguised herself in old. What old? Man, woman, or travel. Now second one, Snow White bought a dash. Bought what she purchased from that old woman. Okay, belt, hairpin, ribbons. These are the things which she used to carry it in the basket. So you easily learn in this chapter what she purchased. And In the third question, Queen gave Snow White a dash. What? Orange apple and both one or apple. What she gave? You mark this and write in your notebook. Try to fill in the blanks on the basis of your reading. Then come to D part, question and answer. Complete the question answers in your classwork notebook, dear students. So let us discuss this question answer. Why did the queen become mad in anger? You know why she become mad in anger? She used to ask the mirror who is the fairest, and in reply what the mirror used to give the answer. Okay, so try to write this answer in your own words. Doesn't matter, grammatical mistakes would be there, it's okay, but write at your own. Don't take help of other, try to write at your own, dear student. If you're facing any problem, however, you can call me and ask me. Okay, how did the Snow White come back to her senses? You all know how she become back in senses when the prince touched him. Okay, what warning did the dwarf give to Snow White? Never go outside and open the door for strangers. Okay, why was the queen overjoyed? She eaten when the Snow White eaten the apple which was full of poison. Then she overjoyed because she was fainted. How did the white Snow White come alive? The story of prince and how they married, all these things you have to write in your classwork notebook. Dear students, your queries time will be from 8 am to 12 pm, and if you are facing any problem, you can ask me. Remember, dear student, timing for sending your answers will be from 12 am to 12 noon to 3 pm. After that, the class WhatsApp group shall be closed. Thank you, dear students, for watching this video. Share this video, like this video, and if you are facing any problem, call me, ask me. Thank you.